January 28, Maximus Tools. Nothing here is a financial advice. So on-chain data is saying nothing today. Really, Bitcoin reserve on spot exchanges and on derivatives are still. Maybe there is some outflow on derivative exchanges, so it may pump Bitcoin price a little bit, as it does probably, but we don't know what will the bulls or bears do with these Bitcoins on derivatives. Also, as you can see, some inflow of stablecoins on spot exchanges. When that inflow was, our Maximus Tools sent you a message yesterday on our Telegram channel to buy cryptocurrency, and it was right here at 7 p.m. And as you can see, 7 p.m. was just here when the Bitcoin price was enough low, so our tools send you this message right at this point after the stablecoins on spot exchanges increased. Okay, what's going on next? And as you can see, we are still in this downtrend. Stablecoins on derivatives are increasing, so somebody wants to probably save his positions, but there is no big inflows of stablecoins on the spot exchanges, so we are still waiting for that moment to take the Bitcoin price much higher. Also, Bitcoin on spot exchanges are still too, so nothing here. Long-term hodlers, we showed you this indicator, the price went up. Right now there is nothing. Also, fees are pretty high right now because probably many people want to sell their Bitcoin or buy Bitcoin because they think that the price is too high or too low. There's much move right now on network, and you can see it was right here. But right now, today and yesterday, there's no much move on Bitcoin network, so price may still at the same level till next till tomorrow or maybe till the end of the weekend. We will see, but right now there is nothing special happening on-chain. But what we should be concerning about is that pretty big inflows of the biggest transaction into the exchanges, into spot exchanges. So as you can see, this is the exchange ratio moving average 72 hours, and sometimes, not every time, but sometimes it may dump the Bitcoin price. So if somebody put their money into exchanges, the big money, because here this chart is showing the big money, the whales, so maybe to sell some Bitcoins, and we will see next days. Remember that we are still in a downtrend. You have to remember. Otherwise, on the other hand, open interest RSI, we are still really low, maybe going a little up to this point, and of course we will see what will happen next, but still we are waiting for closing open interest RSI under the 30 points. Right now funding rates are negative, so there may be also some move upwards of Bitcoin, but we will of course see. We are still waiting, as I said, for one thing, maybe some inflow on exchanges of Bitcoins or some inflow of stablecoins on exchanges. We are still waiting for this event, but right now, as you can see, also S&P 500 is plunging, and this is not good for Bitcoin, for cryptocurrency. During next days, the Bitcoin price will be in dangers because of S&P 500. Okay, let's see at stocks. You have it here. Apple stocks jumps after CEO reveals it's investing in metaverse. So my question is, are Mana, are Sand and other metaverse project will soar next days? Right now Sand price is a little bit higher than, but the same similar as a Bitcoin, yeah, 30% is 30%. Also Mana really low. So my question is, are these kind of projects would be great investment during next couple of days because of that news? Tell me in the comments, what do you think? Russia's reaction to US and NATO leaves Ukraine crisis for faster on the brink of war. Ukraine crisis, Biden warns Russia may invade next month. What do you think about this? How stock will react and how Bitcoin will react to this kind of events? Researchers built an AI that builds an AI. Great, I'm waiting for it, and hopefully we will see such artificial intelligence really soon. SEC rejects application for Fidelity's Wise Origin Bitcoin Trust Spot ETF. So not good information. A newly minted cryptocurrency called the Grimacecoin surged more than 285,000% after McDonald's joke in response to Elon Musk tweet. So this coin, the Grimacecoin, was created by somebody who just wanted to make great money on this, because McDonald's didn't create this Grimacecoin, and it was only a joke. Many people created that Grimacecoin, and look at the price. The price went massively up just after that tweet, and it was created just after that tweet. So somebody earned a lot of money on this. Okay, and there is some prediction about Bitcoin worth $1 million in the end of this decade from Katie Wood from ARK Investments. Nice prediction. Totally agree about this. Probably it will. If that things will happen. All right. And for now, for today, it's almost all. Also, as you can see, the Bitcoin market value to realized value ratio seems low, but it may be even lower during next couple of weeks, next couple of months. Analyzing historic data, look at here, look at here, look at here. It may be even lower. But in the long term, Bitcoin is still doing a halving, and block rewards are every 4 year half of that was before. So in long term, Bitcoin, in my opinion, really good investment, but in long term, of course. And the root is showing us the Bitcoin price to Fear and Greed index, and right now, yes, it seems that we are in a great time to buy Bitcoin, but we have to observe and analyze this area from the bigger perspective, always from bigger perspective, and analyze the whole market, the whole situation. And right now, the situation is not so funny because of Russia, because of interest rates, and because of the whole world situation. And that's why this kind of charts might be dangerous for some people who will invest here and hope that Bitcoin will rise just after they will invest, but it will not. Of course, I'm not saying that Bitcoin right now won't go higher. we have to analyze on-chain data, metrics, fundamental news every single day and just react to this. Okay, for now, that's everything. Thank you guys and see ya tomorrow.